Hello everyone, welcome to my new channel 5-Minute IIT JEE Physics. This is an introduction video and my first video on this channel. In this video, I will talk about who am I, what I do, and what we will be seeing in this channel. So I passed the IIT Joint Entrance Exam in 2006 and then I went to IIT Kanpur and I completed my bachelor's and master's in aerospace engineering. And these are my graduation photos and I was very happy. After IIT, I came to US to complete my PhD in aerospace engineering. After I completed my PhD, I became a professor in University of Wisconsin in US, and in that university, I focus on applied research with drones. I love flying drones. I love working with drones. As you can see in the photo on the top left, it's very cold here. It's a winter time, and that drone is a heavy commercial drone. I also love to fly. I love the aerospace field, and I got my private pilot license in US. So I can fly one engine, small planes, 2-seater to 5-seater planes. And you can see the photo on the right, top right. I was flying in winter and you can see the lakes in the background, they are frozen. Now, in this channel, I will be posting 5-minute or shorter videos, and in each video, we will work on only one problem that will be from past JEE Advanced Physics papers. And in that 5-minute video, our focus will not just be on the answer or how to calculate, rather the entire strategy, because on average, you will have 3 minutes per question in IIT JEE exams. So you read the problem, you comprehend and visualize it, you look at the options, and then you know how to solve it to find out which options are correct and which are incorrect. So what will be that strategy? And that we will focus on. So welcome to my channel, and please, when you watch my video, always leave some comments. You can give me feedback so I can improve myself, so it can be useful to everyone. Thank you.